water, dust, and harsh environments. Don't worry. Meet Kinco's 2nd generation waterproof HMI. With IP65 protection, it delivers reliable performance in demanding conditions. The front panel resists low-pressure water jets, while every key area is sealed against dust and moisture. Even with long-term water spray exposure, the display stays clear and responsive. Designed for challenging applications like food processing, water treatment, and coating lines. And you can choose between handheld or arm-mounted installation to fit the production needs. With built-in Wi-Fi, Kinco Edge Access 2, and D-Tools Pro, remote updates, PLC communication, and smart maintenance become easier than ever. Durable protection, flexible installation, smarter maintenance. Kinco Waterproof HMI, built for the future of industrial control.